This is a kind of perfect, non-perfect love story, really, that did start many, many years ago. When I think about Robin and I think about everything we've been through, I always think of it that we've had 3 chapters. And that this has been a particularly special chapter. At the end of the 2nd chapter, there was a letter that I wrote to Robin. There was a line that marked the end of that period. And I remember that it said, "There are few people in life that you meet that you wish would walk with you forever, and you to me are one of those people." I remember writing that line, and what I actually remember as I wrote that line was that there aren't few people, there is only one person, and that one person is you. And so it fills me with absolute delight that we are gathered here today, and that we are married, and that I am your wife. And I also love that every time I tell people our story, it has this really brilliant, perfect punchline where I get to say, "And his name is Mr. Darcy."